Hey guys, today we're drawing a zombie pizza and my name is Drag and I'm 5 years old and I like drawing. Okay, let's start. First let's draw the top. We make a U shape, almost a flat U shape. Like that, and a curved line. But this line is backwards. Like that, it's almost like a C. Okay, now we connect them. But no, don't connect them, don't connect them. Okay, no, we don't need to connect them. We're making like someone took a bite. Like that. Now we draw some going this way. Like that. And now we can connect the top. Like that. Now let's draw the outer line. That's a big word. Okay, so we're making the outer line. Okay, we make a line going down from here and making it curve up. And curving back down and making another U shape almost like that. Okay, and this time we're making this U shape longer. Now we can go and make a line like that. Okay, now we are gonna make this side connecting to the bottom. Okay, let's make that U shape and this U shape. Then we're drawing another U shape. And another U shape. Then make this a little longer. Okay, now let's connect. Like that, it kind of doesn't look like a pizza. Okay, so let's put a curve right there like that. And color that in so it looks like a pizza. Okay, we have it like that. Now we're gonna draw some slime. Okay. And we're starting from here for some slime. You make a little line coming out and curving back down and going front, then around like that. Now we go down and we connect like that. Let's make some slime on this side. Let's make a tiny C. And let's make it down. Now let's draw the slime up here. A line like that, then a line like that. You can draw this slime any way you want. Okay, now let's make it go down. Then connect it here like that. Okay, now let's draw a worm. Make it a S right there. Now we make a curve. Now we copy that and we connect them. And it's kind of not like a worm. Let's make some detail. make some lines on top of it, like that. I mean inside it. Okay. Now let's draw some slime on the sides. Like that. Like that. Now let's start from the worm and we go in. Let's go right here. Then let's make a little line coming out. Then let's connect it to here, like that. Now let's draw some sauce. Okay, we're starting from here. Let's make some wavy lines. Like that. Now let's draw the eyes. They're gonna look like a zombie. Let's make a giant oval and a small oval inside. Like that. And let's let's color in the small oval. Let's do the same thing on the other side, but the small goes on this side. Like that. Kind of looks like a pizza. Okay, now let's draw some pepperoni. Let's make one on his forehead. Like that. I guess not only one pepperoni. We're gonna make one right here. First, let's draw his tongue. For that, we're making a curved line like that. Then, we're gonna make a line like going down. Then making a line like this again. Then going down. Then making a line like that. Now let's connect to the bottom, like that. Now we make this line coming out. Then let's draw some slime right there. Wow! Like that. Kind of looks like one, see? Okay, now let's draw some cheese, I think. Okay, let's draw some cheese. Oh, I know what we can do. We can make some trees dropping out of his eyes. And we make an M right there. And the other side, we're gonna make it different. I'm gonna draw some slime right there. 3 pieces. Like that. Now let's draw another worm right there. Let's draw some details. Like that. Now let's draw another worm on top of here. Draw some details. Like that. These are all the worms. Now let's make, I don't know what to call these, but I can draw them. They're like, make a line like that. And we connect them. You make the same line like that. Then let's make one on top of his eye. Like that. It almost looks like his eyebrow. Like that. Now let's make one right there. Like that. Now this almost looks like his nose, but it's not. It's a piece of pepperoni. It's half. Like that. Kind of looks like one. Okay, now let's draw some slime on the bottom. Like that. Let's draw some of these under his eye, like these things dropping from his eyes. Like that. Now let's connect this. Like that. In the top, I didn't connect it, I forgot. Okay, bye. And draw with a pencil.